If you've ever opened Yahoo Mail and wished you could switch the language to something that feels more comfortable, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the language on Yahoo Mail step by step so you can update your account settings in just a few moments. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if your mailbox is showing the wrong language or if you just want to use Yahoo Mail in a language that works better for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the Yahoo Mail page, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is where Yahoo keeps the main account options, so it's the first place we need to go. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Manage Your Account. This will take you into your Yahoo account settings, where you can adjust personal preferences and other account details. On the account page, look for the Preferences section. Depending on your screen layout, you may need to scroll a little bit, but you should see it in the Settings area. Click Preferences to open the options that control how your account appears and behaves. Once you're inside Preferences, find the language setting. This is the part that controls the language Yahoo Mail uses for menus, buttons, and account pages. Click on Language, and Yahoo should show you a list of available languages. Now take your time and select the language you want to use. If you accidentally pick the wrong one, don't worry, you can always come back and change it again later using the same steps. After choosing your language, make sure to save the change. Saving is important because until you confirm it, the new language may not apply to your account. Once you save, Yahoo Mail should refresh and display the interface in your selected language. If the page doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser or signing out and back in to make sure the change goes through properly. And that's it. You've now changed the language on Yahoo Mail. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. I hope this guide made it simple and easy to follow. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.